Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung T7 portable SSD. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It's a fairly small and nifty little box. This is the 1 terabyte variant. It has a capacity of 1 terabyte, and as you can see from the color, it's red. Okay, it says over here it's compatible with Windows, Mac and Android. And let's see what else we have. On the side it says performance, so up to 1050 MB per second read speed and 1000 MB per second write speed, supported by USB 3.2 Gen 2, which has a 10 gigabytes per second throughput through the PCIe NVMe interface. So this is actually pretty fast if you connect it through the PCIe NVMe interface. It offers portability, so it's a slim and lightweight drive, and it says reliability, so it has password protection, which is AES 256-bit hardware encryption. It also has a durable metal body, which is optimized for drop resistance of up to 2 meters. So basically, if you take, Samsung claims that if you drop it from say up to 2 meters, it should be okay, right? At the back it says again the name of the product, which is the Samsung portable SSD T7, super fast external storage, and on the side there's the brand warranty which is coming. It also says it's compatible with, it supports PCs, phones and other devices, and the software is compatible with Windows 7 and higher. Okay, the box contains a portable SSD T7, and it contains USB 3.2, USB-C to A cable, a USB-C to C cable, and a quick start guide and a warranty statement. So let's just go ahead and unbox this and let's take a look at it. Okay, so there you are. That's the Samsung T7. When they say portable, they really do mean portable. As you can see, it's really compact. It's a really tiny drive, very small. Basically, it fits in the palm of my hand, as you can see. So it's a very small and portable drive, very slim form factor, and quite stylish actually to look at if you see. So here's of course the USB Type-C connector, and that's probably the light, the LED light indicator right over there. So let's see what else you get in the box. And inside the box you get this little container, and this contains the cables. Let's see. Alright, so this is your Type-C to Type-C connector. This is your Type-C to Type-A connector, and this is your quick start guide and also your warranty statement. So I do recommend you give this a read if you want to know how to set this up, but it's pretty straightforward. You just plug it in and plug it into whatever device you might have, and you're good to go. So there you have it. That was the unboxing of the Samsung T7 portable SSD. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.